see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense. I'm on ocean with a bad hoe.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be installing the 8-inch screen on my car, on my 2018 Mustang GT, because it came with the tiny ass 4-inch screen, because it is a base model. So I'm gonna be upgrading to a 8-inch. I've got it right in here, and yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to put it on. Let me show you guys what kind it is. It's not the OEM one with like the buttons, like the switches, but it's pretty much OEM style. So it's just the top part of the screen, I would say. And I think it is compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So yeah, we're gonna check that out right now. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got. Alright, so this is what I currently have on the car, this tiny one. It's not touchscreen or anything like that. And then I ordered this one off of American Muscle. Let me see. I picked this one up for I think it was $800. Kind of hard doing this with one hand. Let me get it out of here for you guys. All right, so here it is. It's the Navos OE style display. It comes with an installation guide. This is pretty cool. It has like step-by-step pictures on how to install it. So I think it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna follow the little book, and hopefully I don't mess anything up and we can get this done. So yeah, it comes with the guides and the installation booklet. It also, over on this side, you get a box with all the wires. Let's see. So yeah, it comes with all this. It says it should be all plug and play, so that's what I'm hoping for. I think this part here is what enables the Apple CarPlay, from what I've heard and seen on the reviews. So yeah, I'm gonna set this aside. So yeah, it came really nicely packaged in this styrofoam, and then we've got a separate box. So yeah, but here's the screen we'll be replacing it with. So yeah, this is the style of the screen. It's gonna be a lot better than this one, that's for sure. So yeah, let me unbox this, or unwrap this, and then start removing the trim. So we're gonna need to remove this panel here, and then I think there's some screws in here to get this part out. So yeah, let's go ahead and start on that. All right guys, so once you got this trim part removed here, you're gonna want to remove these two screws here. So yeah, let's get that out of the way. All right, now that these two are out of the way, you're gonna come down here and remove this little cover, and then there's 2 more screws here, and we're gonna remove this part here too. There's some more screws in there, and I think we might have to remove this panel, so I think you just pull on it. Should come right off. Yeah, same thing on the other side. There's one right there. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, let me get that out of the way. Alright guys, so once you got those off, you're gonna come here, unclip these parts. They just pull right off. And then here you've got 2 more screws you gotta remove. And get these out of the way. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand and recording, so but yeah, you get the idea. Just get those out of the way. Look at that. Alright, now that those are out of the way, set them down somewhere. We gotta get these 2 out of here and the ones from this side. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. It's so hot in the car. This shit sucks doing this shit in the car. This is my first time trying this too. Hopefully I don't mess anything up. But I think I'll be good. Let's see what happens. Alright, those are out of there. Let me do this side. Alright, so I just got them removing those. Then you gotta come in here and with a flathead screwdriver or something, put it into here like a pick tool and remove this panel as well. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright guys, for this part you're gonna have to pull back on it pretty hard because it's got some clips right here holding it in pretty hard. But yeah, that gives you more space now to remove the screen. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so this cover was right here with the flathead screwdriver. You just want to put it right in here and pop it out, which will release those two screws here, and then you just remove those. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I just got those out of there and it should be free to come off now. Let me just pull on it. Alright, so there's some cables back here you got to disconnect, but it's kind of hard. So let me get that done right now. Alright guys, so once you remove all these connectors, just this part comes right out. So here it is, the vessel. This one was a hassle to come out because you have to clip it down like this, and mine was really stuck in there. So that was the only one that I had a hard time getting off. These were all pretty straightforward. So yeah, I just gonna, I guess, remove these and these buttons and put them on the new one. So it's just a lot of little screws we got to remove to get those parts off and transfer them onto the new one. Let's do that. Alright guys, so I got it all put back together, just what the new one would look like. Everything is all assembled back here. So now I'm just gonna disconnect this and get that out of the way to plug the new one in. It's the next day. I actually, my GoPro died, so I wasn't able to record the rest of it, but I did get the screen installed. My homie Ruben, huge shout out to him. He came through and helped me wire it because I was having some issues with the wiring. But yeah, we got the screen on. Check it out. This is the Navos screen from American Muscle. Installation was pretty straightforward, but the only hard thing about it was wiring it. I had a couple left over. If you use this little white piece, it'll let you connect it to Apple CarPlay, which is what I've been using. And yeah, backup camera works fine. It's got the line sensor still work. All the buttons still work fine. That's for the volume, fan speed. Temperature still works. Yeah, if you guys are looking for this setup, I highly recommend it. It was pretty easy to install and it looks great. I've got a few more things coming in for the interior, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share it. Yeah, it's way better than the small screen. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.
I'm on ocean with a bad hoe, top down. She got fluid out on the backseat with a stendo, smoking endo, my jewels out.